Guys, today I am going to teach you about has and have. These both are verbs. These both are used for present property. So, what is the definition of has and have? Look here. These are used to show present property. Has and have are used to show present property. These both are verbs. These both are used for property. Example is there. Has. You can use has with singular pronouns. He, she, it, and any name. Then have is used with plural pronouns. They, you, we, I, with plural names. So have is used with plural pronouns they, you, we, and I, and has is used with singular pronouns like he, she, it, and with any name. Here I am going to make an example for you. Has. He has a bike. He has a bike. Now has shows has shows its property that bike is his property, present property. Then they have books. They have books. This plural. That's why I have used have, because this plural pronoun. They have books. Have is showing their property. So it was has and have. It was the present form of has and have. Now what is the past form of has and have? Had is the past form of has and have. If you are talking about past property of someone, so you have to use had. Past property. Of someone. You can use had with singular and plural pronouns. Like he has a bike. If I want to change the sentence into past, he had a bike. He had a bike. It means that now in present he don't have any bike. In past he had a bike. Had is showing here past. Now you can use same had with plural pronouns. They had books. So guys, it was about has and have. So thank you very much for watching this video.